are not currently in education. And their training manager is working with colleagues within the centre in terms of how they manage that and run that, because there will be an aspect of that, of helping those young people on how they transition into a workplace. So that's really promising, and obviously this is just in one area of the university, but if that pilot works, then it's got implications much wider within the university, but also offering if you like, a model for other organisations to take up. So I thought that was really good news.
Thank you, Councillor Oxley. I mean, it's fantastic news that we've got that. And also, I mean, if anybody can attend, I think is it 9th of March when the when SEND students that we invited are coming to meet the Lord Mayor. We probably good to mention here that we had a very good session with the Chamber as well. I know not everybody could actually make it, but Richard and I were there, and they genuinely want to work with us in bringing SEND into children into work, and they were more than welcoming, and I think that's something that we can actually build on as we move forward. I mean, I was quite surprised of how open they were actually with us, Richard, in terms of how they want to work closely with us and support us, and some of them are doing it already, but it's not coordinated. So basically what their comments was that if we can have one organisation that organises everything around how people access work, then they will be happy to do that. And it actually went on for longer than we expected. I think it lasted more than an hour and a half in the end. And I think most people were at the Sheffield Care Association one anyway. So I'm quite gratified in the ways that this committee has actually worked and identified certain areas which we've all found common ground on, which is very, very helpful. And we're already starting to make those connections which the follow-up committees can actually work on further. So unless there's any further questions or anything else we need to do, Emily, then I can bring today's session to a close. Thank you very much for attending.